Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Photoshop, and I will show today how to do the animation of running stripe. I opened a file with such a nice Christmas picture, and let's do the animation. Okay, let's create the new layer, empty layer, and I'm going to brush and choosing the color. Let it be, for example, white, something like white. And the size of brush, I think this may be too big, but something like 6 pixels I think is good. And let's start drawing. That will be the first one. Then I'm creating the new layer and continue drawing. New one. Little bit not very nice drawing, but you'll do it better. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, we did it. And let's do the animation. So I'm going to Window. In that list I'll find Timeline and click on it. In this window, Create Frame Animation has to be chosen. Let's do our background invisible. Now let's go to this button and choose Make Frames from Layers. Okay. Now I want to change the duration of the frames. So I'm clicking on the very first one, then holding Shift, I'm going to the very last one. Such a way I selected all of them, and here I'm selecting 0.1 second, for example, and let's see how it works. You see, background is still visible because we have to click on a frame with it on a timeline and click on it and do it invisible. Now it's good, background is not visible, and I will convert everything to video. Okay, let's see. Please be sure that loop playback is selected. And now let us do our background visible. And let us see how everything works. I think it's nice. You can save your video like video or like GIF, up to you. That's it. Thank you and see you next time.